Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I got you. I got you for the weeknight meal inspo. Almost one pot, oven does all the work. Let's get started. When you see this, you're gonna be like, okay, Darius, I'm in, let's go. All right, skillet is nice and warm. I'm gonna add some oil to the skillet, right? It's hot, so let's go. First thing in is I have onion, bell pepper, and celery. Okay, and then I have a pound of a hot Italian sausage. So this is gonna go in here, and make sure you break it up as it goes into the pan. And what we can do now, let's start building our flavors. I got some diced tomato, coarse ground black pepper, garlic powder, and then I've got some onion powder. All right, and then we'll give this a stir and let this cook all the way through before we add in our tomato sauce. All right, I've got a pot of water that is boiling. You know how we get down. Over salt the water and undercook the pasta. Right, let's give that a good stir. And we'll cook it just until it's al dente, then we'll give it a drain. So now that we got the sausage and the onion and pepper and all that stuff, tomato cooked down nicely, I've got a jar of store-bought sauce, your favorite kind. This is weeknight cooking, right? So this is a perfect time to take a supermarket shortcut and give that a stir. All right, the heat comes down to a simmer, and I'm just gonna put in just a little bit of sugar to help with the tomato. This gets stirred together, and we'll keep it on warm. So we're gonna put everything in one pot. So that's why I said it was like a one pot-ish situation, all right? So I've got some cheese here, and I'm just gonna cube this cheese up so that I can get the cheese into the pasta. Okay, so we have our pasta. We're gonna put the pasta right into the pot, right? Remember, this pasta is al dente. Look at this sauce. Come on now. You take all of that delicious, amazing meat sauce and you toss it in. Now, I could eat this just like this, but I'm gonna make it even better. Let me show you how. Give that a stir. Get it all nice and incorporated. Perfect. In go cheese. Big old spoonfuls of your ricotta, and then we're gonna stir together your cheese with the ricotta to make it nice and creamy, right? How bad could that be? Look at that. And a little bit of mozzarella that I'm gonna put inside as well, because if we don't have enough cheese, perfect. All right, now I got a casserole dish, and we're gonna pour all of this into this casserole dish. All right, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is just top this with even more cheese. As if we don't have enough, you can see where we're headed with this, right? All right. Oven's preheated, 400 degrees. This goes off into a hot oven until it's nice and golden brown. All right, so while our ziti is off in the oven baking up, I am going to work on the garlic bread or the garlic toast or whatever you want to call it, because it's good, but I'm not using regular butter. This is weeknight, store-bought shortcut. This is finishing sauce for shrimp scampi, okay? You know how you take your bread and rub your bread throughout the scampi sauce when you have it? Now, we can have a whole loaf of garlic toast made with the scampi sauce. So I'll take a huge loaf of bread, then we'll take some of this scampi sauce, right? With all that lovely garlic flavor, and rub that all over the surface of the bread. All right, put this on a sheet tray, just like this. All right, and then this can go right off into that same hot oven until it's golden brown. All right, you know what time it is, huh? Let me see. Look at that, scampi butter on our toast. Perfect. You understand me? That's genius right there, boy. Okay, I can't believe I did that. Okay, look, this is hot. I want to get some sausage and the pasta. Okay. All right. Come on, weeknight. You gotta give it a try. The recipe on the website, DariusCooks.tv. Two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food, y'all. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.